Looking for a great spinning reel for your fishing trips? You've come to the right place. We've picked out the best spinning reels that are strong, smooth, and easy to use. Whether you're fishing in a lake, river, or the ocean, these reels are perfect for everyone, from beginners to experts. Let's take a look at the top reels that will make your fishing experience better. Number 1. Cast King Royal Legend Pro. The Cast King Royal Legend Pro spinning reel is a perfect mix of style, modern technology, and high-performance features. Its celestial-inspired color scheme makes it stand out, with a reflective finish that changes color as the light shifts. This reel is not just a high performer but also a great conversation starter at any fishing spot. Designed for anglers who value both looks and functionality, the reel is made with high-strength carbon fiber, which gives it a powerful yet lightweight frame. It features a triple carbon fiber drag system, ensuring smooth and consistent resistance, even when fighting tough fish. The aerospace aluminum gear is both durable and lightweight, and the high gear ratio allows for fast line retrieval. This reel is built to last and works well in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Cast King has paid attention to every detail. The comfortable handle knob and folding aluminum handle make it easy to use and store. The sealed spool and O-ring drag system protect against corrosion, while the stainless steel bearing system ensures smooth and reliable performance. Perfect for both serious anglers and casual fishermen, this reel is ready to perform no matter where you fish. Number 2. PC Fun Alumix. The PC Fun Alumix spinning reel is a top choice for anglers who want strength, smooth performance, and lightweight convenience. Made with premium aircraft-grade aluminum, it has a full metal body that offers great durability and corrosion resistance. Whether you're fishing in freshwater lakes or rivers, the Alumix is built to handle the conditions while maintaining high performance. The CNC machine handle and high-density TPE grip provide comfort and control, even when battling large fish. One of its standout features is the powerful carbon fiber drag system. The 2000 and 3000 models offer up to 26 pounds of max drag, while the 1000 model has 11 pounds of max drag, making it suitable for various fishing styles. With a reinforced stainless steel main shaft and zinc alloy drive gear, the Alumix ensures consistent, reliable power. Despite being lightweight, the Alumix doesn't compromise on strength. Its carbon rotor reduces weight while maintaining balance and stability. With different gears depending on the model, it offers quick and smooth retrieves. Overall, the PC Fun Alumix is a well-rounded reel, delivering premium features at a great value. Number 3. Daiwa Regal LT Deep Spool. The Daiwa Regal LT Deep Spool is a lightweight yet durable spinning reel designed for anglers who want performance and precision, especially in freshwater environments like lakes, ponds, and rivers. It features the next-generation air rotor system, which significantly improves balance and sensitivity. This design reduces weight while enhancing smoothness, giving you better control and a more responsive feel during every cast and retrieve. One standout feature is the ATD system, which uses intelligent drag grease that adjusts based on the situation. It's low viscosity when the reel is at rest for smooth starts, and it increases in viscosity under tension for consistent resistance. This makes the drag system more fluid, reducing stress on the fishing line during sudden pulls or aggressive strikes. The Regal LT Deep Spool is perfect for landing both cautious and powerful fish without worrying about breakage or hesitation. Its body is made from Zion Vive, a carbon-infused resin that combines strength with a lightweight design, making the reel comfortable to use during long fishing sessions without sacrificing durability. Whether you're finesse fishing or targeting larger freshwater species, this reel delivers both power and finesse. Overall, the Daiwa Regal LT is a great choice for anglers who appreciate smooth performance, premium materials, and thoughtful design.